My name is Eleanor. I'm not a good woman. This is the first thing you should know about me. I live in a small coastal town called Whitford, and I am divorced. People think bad women are loud. They think we shout or break things or hurt people. But sometimes bad women are quiet. Sometimes we stay too long. I am 43 years old. I work as a private nurse in a care home. I work the night shift. I check rooms. I give medicine. The night is quiet. This is why I like it. I have a son. His name is Leo. He is 14 years old now. Back then he was younger. He still believed adults. He still believed smiles. His father left years ago. No shouting, no goodbye, just gone. Leo stopped talking about him, but I could feel the space he left. It sat at our table. It slept on our couch. It followed us into every room. Across the street from the care home lived a man named Thomas Reed. He worked as a security guard. He worked nights like me. Every morning, when my shift ended, I saw him. He stood outside his building. He nodded. Sometimes he gave me tea in a paper cup. He never asked about my life. He never asked about my son. I liked that. It felt safe. After some time, he started walking me home. "It's dangerous at night," he said. I told him I was fine. I said I did not need help, but I let him walk with me anyway. He learned my steps. He learned my time. He learned when my lights were on. One morning, Leo met him. Thomas smiled and said, "You must be the man of the house." Leo smiled back. I did not. Soon, Leo waited by the door every morning. "He's nice," Leo said. "He listens." That scared me. Children notice things adults miss. Thomas started helping. He fixed a broken chair. He brought food. He talked to Leo about school. Leo laughed more. One night, Leo said something I could not forget. "I wish he was my dad." I said nothing. That same week, a new patient came to the care home. Her name was Mrs. Collins. She was old. She was confused. She cried at night. On her second night, she grabbed my wrist. Her hand was cold. "He watches," she whispered. I told her she was safe. I tried to pull away. "He likes lonely women," she said, "especially the ones with sons." My heart beat fast. I laughed it off. I told myself she was sick. That night, Thomas waited outside my house. Leo ran into him. "Mr. Reed!" he shouted. Thomas smiled at me. His eyes stayed too long. One day, Leo came home late from school. I called his phone. No answer. I panicked. My hands shook. Then Thomas brought him home. I saw him alone. He said, "I thought you would worry." Leo hugged him. That night I did not sleep. The next day, Mrs. Collins died. While cleaning her room, I found a notebook. It was under her bed. Inside were names, women who worked nights, women who lived alone. My name was there. Leo's school was there. I took the notebook home. My hands shook the whole way. That night, it disappeared from my bag. At home, Thomas was inside my house. He was cooking dinner. Leo was laughing. "You didn't lock the door," Thomas said. I told Leo to go to his room. Thomas looked hurt. "I'm just helping," he said. "You need support." I packed a bag that night. I took Leo and left town. We stayed with a friend in another place. I did not sleep. I watched the door. Months passed. I thought we were safe. One evening, I ordered pizza. Something normal. The doorbell rang. I opened the door. Thomas stood there. He held the pizza box. He smiled softly. When I reached for it, his hand closed on mine. He stepped inside. "Don't scream," he said. "You'll scare Leo." Leo came into the room. His face lit up. "Mr. Reed!" Thomas sat at the table like he belonged there. "There was no need to run," he said. "I lost a son once. Leo reminds me of him. He said he would never hurt us. He said we were safe. I told him to leave." He leaned close. "If you call the police," he said, "I am very good at hiding things." After that, he came often. Not every day, just enough. He helped Leo. He fixed things. He watched me. I did not call anyone. Not the police, not my friends. Leo liked him. That was the worst part. Thomas helped. He listened. He stayed. I felt trapped. Not locked in, just watched. I learned to stay quiet. Fear sounds weak when spoken. Thomas never hurt us. That made it harder to escape.